Natatandaan niyo ba yung batang nag-lock ng pinto para hindi makapasok yung gunman? Ito siya. At yung ginawa niya is an act of bravery and heroism na nagligtas ng maraming buhay. But unfortunately, namatay siya dahil sa tama ng bala. Pero sinabihan pa niya yung kanyang mga kaklase na mauna na lang at iwanan siya dahil total na tamaan na siya ng bala at siyang ikinamatay niya. And I'm sure grabe yung pasasalamat ng mga classmates niya and they will be forever grateful dahil kung hindi niya ginawa yun ay baka maraming nasawi sa kanila. If that boy saved many lives, how much more si Jesus na niligtas niya tayo from eternal damnation. Kung nakareceive talaga tayo ng grace, kung niligtas talaga tayo ng Panginoon, I'm sure our response is total surrender and commitment sa Panginoong Hesus. If yung sacrifice ng batang yon, grabe yung impact sa kanyang mga kaklase, I'm sure that Jesus' sacrifice, grabe rin yung impact sa buhay natin na nanampalataya sa Kanya. Jesus died brutally at mas malala pa sa nangyari sa batang yon. Not only that, Jesus also fulfilled what we cannot fulfill, and that is to fulfill the whole law and to be perfect. We are not worthy, marumi tayo, makasalanan tayo, yet still yung love ng Panginoon sa atin. Grabe, that He sacrificed Himself for the sake of us. Hindi tayo worthy na iligtas dahil makasalanan tayo, but pwede nating ma-receive yung grace as a free gift. Romans 5 verse 17. For if because of one man's trespass, death reigned through that one man, much more will those who receive the abundance of grace and the free gift of righteousness reign in life through the one man, Jesus Christ. Imagine yourself na ikaw yung isa sa mga niligtas ng batang yun. What is your response to Him? Pero tatanungin kita, sa pagligtas ng Panginoon sa buhay mo, from eternal damnation, what is your response to Him? Sobra-sobra yung pagmamahal at ang grace ng Panginoon na ibinigay sa atin. Kaya there is no reason why we cannot serve Him. There is no reason why we cannot lay our lives to Him because He lay it all down for our sake. Tatanungin kita ulit, what is your response sa pagligtas ng Panginoon sa buhay mo? Will you surrender your life for Him? Ano pang hinihintay mo? Surrender your life right now to Christ. God bless.